Alright, so you just saw me break the bead, so now I'm going to take the tire off, remove the tire. So the bead is broken up on both sides, and now it actually doesn't really matter which side you dismount from, because the end of my hub here, it's actually wider than the rim. If I put it on this side, it actually kind of teeter-totters a little bit, so I'm actually gonna probably leave it on the brake rotor side, so it doesn't do this teeter-tottering thing. Well, actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave it on this side. I mean, obviously this wheel only has one brake, but if you have a wheel that has two brake rotors, then it doesn't really matter. But I'll leave it on this side and do it that way instead. So this thing's bead is broken. So next thing you need is tire spoons. And I also have these Motion Pro rim covers. So when you hook these onto your wheel, right, like so. So when you do this and you leverage the tire off, you don't mar up your rims on the on your wheel, right? The lip of your rims. So basically, pick a spot. I'm gonna give this thing a little bit more lube in here. Never hurts to have too much lube. In this case, more lube is better. I have two of these. That's probably all I need. But when you do this, make sure both beads are broken on both sides. And what you do is you squeeze the tire together so that the bead of the rim actually sits inside the rim. So if you actually look at the rim, it's kind of shaped like that, sort of this cup shape. And if the bead's up here, up along where the edge of the rim is, it's higher up. So basically, it has less slack. So if you squeeze the beads together and it sits further into the bottom of the rim here, it gives the whole wheel more slack. So you could easily remove easily lever out the tire. So what I usually do is I actually put my spoon there and kind of leverage it a little bit. While I hold that, I actually squeeze my my tire into that little into the bottom of the rim, so that way I get more slack, right? So from there, you basically hold it, and you do the same thing along the way with another one. Maybe I need a third one. Oops. Or that. Yeah, probably need a third one, but let's see. Oops. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need a third one for my other one. Okay, I'm gonna go get another one of these. Give me a quick second. So that popped out. Let's try that again. Like that. Get a little slack. Okay. Oops. Now this is where the lube comes in. When you lube this, it pops off a lot easier versus not having any lube. Okay. So once you get past that initial difficult part right there, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Yeah, the wheel basically it's not under any not under bunch of tension anymore. So basically that's how you take off the right, so one side's off. Now basically I need to do the same thing again, but with the other rim, or I mean the other bead on the other side. And you have to actually take it from the same side, because if I take it from the other side, that means this would be my rim here. The tire, this is my rim here. I unbead it one side. If I flip this wheel around, do the other side, the tire will still be stuck in the rim like that. So you have to basically go from this side here and move it out so that the tire is off of the bead. Okay, so again, more lube. I'm gonna spray it from the back side here. Spray it from the underside. Alright. So this one's a little bit more tricky, or at least finding the edge of that bead is a little bit harder. But just you just reach underneath there, and you'll find it. The good thing is that this bead up here will hold my spoons. Okay. So that's off. That's off on this side. Usually, the spacing I have is kind of far apart. Usually, when you're closer, it actually makes it a little bit easier. Well, anyways, so again, once you get past that first tension that it has, it's basically it comes off pretty easily. So now I'm just gonna spray. Actually, the bead is still pretty wet from the last spray, so I'm okay. So basically, now and it comes right off. So that's how you remove a tire, right? All right. So pretty simple, huh? Alright, that's it. How to remove the tire.